Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'll be showing you how to play Tu es Emmanuelle, mon ami. Donc les gars, je vais vous montrer comment jouer Tu es Emmanuelle, mon ami. It's a very simple one. Originally the song is in the key of E, alright? E. Alright, E. But the intro of the song starts with D, alright? That before they do a transition from D to E. Alright, so I'm going to transpose. Alright, since the song starts with E, I'm going to do a transposition to B flat so that I end up transiting to C in order to play the song in C. So I take a transpose from B for B to E, B to D. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's plus 4. Okay, so let's go. Emmanuelle, mon ami, Emmanuelle, mon ami. Tu es Emmanuelle, Emmanuelle, mon ami, Emmanuelle, mon ami. Mon ami m'a sauvé, tu m'as sauvé, mon ami, m'a sauvé, mon ami. Mon ami, 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 mon ami. Oh. Alright guys, a very simple one, and so I'll start with the intro of the song. Okay, remember that our transposition is on plus 4, so we are starting with B flat, but seems like we are playing on Z. Okay, so let me run the scale. All right, do re mi fa sol la ti do la. We are starting with la ti do. So when you do la ti do, you are on 6. La ti do re mi. Okay, la ti do re mi. Okay, T, you go to 5. Ti la, so. Okay, 4, this D sharp, G. Okay, B flat. Okay, 4, 3. All right, so this 3 in B flat. Okay, again. All right, 3. All right, I do it slow. Voila. I do it slowly. All right, now you do G major or pentatonic scale. All right, something of that sort. Okay, so so this is a G major scale, pentatonic scale. But we are skipping one key. All right. Then now when you do that, you transit to C. All right. Do re mi fa sol la. Okay. So we also start with a C. La ti do re mi 5. All right. La ti do 6. La ti do re mi 5. 4, 3. la. This time around, you run E major scale. All right. So when you do that, you enter the song itself. All right, the song. So the song chord progression is a 1, okay, 5, G major, okay, F major, and back to 5. All right. Emmanuelle, Emmanuelle 5, to Emmanuelle, mon ami, me suffit 5, 4 and 5. All right, so that's all about the chord progression of the song. All right, then the part of the song they add there. All right, so you press. All right, and 6, mon ami 5, 4 and 1, mon ami 5, and 6, mon ami 4, 4 and 1, 5, so the 6, yeah, mon ami, mon ami, mon ami, yeah. Alright guys, so that's all about the song. You can add some spice, this the 7, alright, by omitting the 3rd or the 2nd. Okay, the 3rd, you omit it, you play the 7. Or alright guys, so hope you learned something. God bless you. Do well to subscribe to my channel.